Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change your battery in your garage door opener. In my case, I have a linear garage door opener, and it takes two batteries. They're CR2032. Okay, first you're going to take the garage door opener, the slot at the end, you're going to take a penny, twist, separate the whole unit. You can see there's two CR2032 batteries in there. Okay, the next thing, you're going to take this unit out, simply slide these two batteries out. Then with your new batteries, slide them in with the positive facing up. Replace this back in like this. Take the cover and carefully press it back together. And double check to see if that it's working. If this video is helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe. As always, thank you very much.